Good morning, dear students. Now I am going to discuss today few important questions of the quadratic equation. Let us see how. One question I am writing: 1 upon a plus b plus x, 1 upon a plus b plus x is equal to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon x. 1 upon a plus b plus x is equal to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon x. Let us see how to solve. What you will do, just transfer 1 upon x on this side. So it will be 1 upon a plus b plus x minus 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b. Transfer 1 upon x on these sides. So it becomes 1 upon a plus b plus x minus 1 upon x. Sign of this implies, now take the LCM. LCM will be a plus b plus x into bracket x. When you divide this by this number, so you will get here x. So x into 1, x. Minus, when this divides this, x will get cancelled. You will get 1 into a plus b plus x is equal to, LCM is AB. A divides AB, you will get here B. B into 1, B. Plus B divides this, B cancel, you will get 1 into A. It means A. Now you simplify this bracket. X minus A minus b minus x upon a plus b plus x into bracket x is equal to, you can write a plus b also, a plus b upon ab. This plus x minus x cancel. Now what is left here? Minus a minus b minus x, xx plus x and minus x got cancelled. Minus a minus b upon a plus b plus x into x is equal to a plus b into ab. Now I am going to solve here. Now you can take minus common. So minus into bracket a plus b upon a plus b plus x into x. A plus b plus x into x is equal to a plus b upon ab. Right? You can transfer this a plus b in the denominator here. It means a plus b and a plus b will get cancelled because you are getting sign of is equal to here. If something is adding or subtraction is there, you cannot cancel this number. As here only a plus b upon ab and minus into a plus b upon this, it means you can cancel a plus b and a plus b. If suppose something is there in addition or subtraction, you cannot cancel them. Now what is left? Minus into ab. So x, a plus b plus x into x is equal to minus into ab means minus ab. So you can write here x into a, ax plus bx plus x square, transfer minus ab on this side, plus ab equal to 0. Now here ax plus bx, x square plus ab. Now you can collect this term and this term. So you can write ax plus ab in another bracket bx plus x square equal to 0. You can take a common in the bracket x plus b plus here what you can take common, x in the bracket x plus b equal to 0. X plus b again common, x plus a is equal to 0. It means you can write x plus b equal to 0. It means x is equal to minus b and x plus a equal to 0, x is equal to minus a. So x is equal to minus b and x is equal to minus a. This is the solution. Clear? Just you note down, now you can write. Now next question I am taking. One upon x plus 4. 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. See, question is 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equal to 11 upon 30. What you will do? Just to take the LCM first. LCM is x plus 4 into bracket x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30. When x plus 4 divide these two terms, you will get x minus 7. Minus into bracket. X minus 7 divide these two terms, you will get x plus 4. Now here, x minus 7. When you open the bracket, the sign will get changed to minus x minus 4 upon x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Clear? Now plus x and minus x get cancelled. And minus 7 minus 4 becomes minus 11. Now I am going to write here. Minus 7 minus 4 becomes minus 11 upon x plus 4 into bracket x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30. Now here you are getting 11, here you are getting 11. When you transfer this 11 on this side, it becomes 11 upon 30 into 11. It means this 11 cancel. So x plus 4 into bracket x minus 7 minus 1 into 30 means minus 30. Now I am going to multiply x into x, x square, x into x, x square, x into 4, 4x, minus 7 into x, minus 7x, minus 7 into plus 4, minus 28 is equal to 0. Sign of these implies x square, 4x minus 7x, minus 3x, minus 28. Transfer minus 30 on this side, so it becomes plus 30 equal to 0. So is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Right? Now again this is the quadratic equation. Now you can solve. What are those numbers? Their multiplication is 2. On addition it gives 3. 2 1 2 you can take. Now here. X square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 2 equal to 0. These two terms and these two terms. X common, x minus 2. Minus 1 common, x minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 you can take common. X minus 1 equal to 0. It means x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. Now next question I am going to take. If the equation if the equation 1 plus m square into x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square equal to 0 has equal roots, prove that c square is equal to a square into bracket 1 plus m square. C square if the equation 1 plus m square into x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square equal to 0 has the equal roots, prove that c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Now my question is, when according to the question it is given that the equation has the equal roots. Equal roots means d equal to 0. Equation has the equal roots. It means d equal to 0. And d equal to 0 means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now what is your a? A is 1 plus m square. B is 2 into m into c. And c is c square minus a square. Just you put here. Why I am writing d equal to 0? Because according to the question, the equation has the equal roots. Equal roots mean d equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. B is 2m into c. So 2mc whole square minus 4 into a is 1 plus m square into c is c square minus a square equal to 0. Now let us see how to solve. Let us see at d equal to 0. Why I am writing d equal to 0? Because the equation has the equal roots, and I have already told you when the d equal to 0, it means the equation has the equal roots. Clear? It means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So 2mc whole square minus 4 into 1 plus m square c square minus q equal to 0. And what you have to prove? C square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. What you have to prove? C square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Let us see how. Now 2mc whole square means 4m square c square. Now you can multiply minus 4 into bracket. Multiply these two terms. So c square into 1 c square. C square into m square c square minus a square into 1 minus a square into m square plus, so minus m square a square equal to 0. Okay, clear? Now I am going to multiply by 4. Clear? So 4 into m square c square. Now 4 into c square minus 4c square. Minus 4 into m square c square minus 4m square c square. Minus 4 into this plus 4a square. 4 into this plus 4m square a square equal to 0. Now 4mc square m square c square and 4m square c square, they will get cancelled. Okay? Now see here. Now here it is left minus 4c square plus 4a square plus 4m square a square equal to 0. Right? Transfer 4 minus 4 on that side. So it becomes positive. So 4a square plus 4m square a square is equal to 4c square. Now you take 4 common and a square common. 4a square common. In the bracket 1 plus m square is equal to 4c square. These 4 and these 4 cancel. It means a square into 1 plus m square is equal to c square. It means what you have to prove? C square is equal to a square into bracket 1 plus m square. This you wanted to prove. You got the solution. C square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. I hope this is clear. Thank you and have a nice day.